this particular operator, he was definitely buying the ugly house on the street. He claimed to do a full renovation on them with a full scope of work, and then would put a tenant in them and get it rented. And he had a property management company as well. As it turned out, the scope of work was probably not as in depth as I would have liked to have been, or not to the quality that I would have liked. Because at the end of the day, I still had in the back of my mind, my dad talking to me about, if you're going to rent to Class C renters, make sure to provide a good quality house that's safe, secure, all of the systems work perfectly. And that will be a good way to invest your dollars. We had some investors that were living in this particular house that I'm shocked that of the quality of the house that they were living in, because they had plumbing issues constantly. They had roof leaks. It was just a mess, quite frankly. And, it all falls back on me because I did not do the due diligence I should have on the front end. He offered to me early on, he said, definitely have an inspection done if that's important, but we've already done our inspections and you can read ours. So I just assumed if he's willing to share it, then it would be good. And I didn't even know the questions to ask. So, at the end of the day, we had two that we ended up coming out of pocket quite a bit with some very big expenses. And there was literally no cash flow, negative cash flow the entire time we held those properties.
You said earlier that you were surprised investors would live there. Do you mean tenants?
Tenants, I'm sorry. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right,
Yeah,
okay.
tenants.